All right, so now that you've made your user, your organization, you assigned the user to the different organizations with relevant permissions, and now next you want to use the AWS CLI. So first things first, just make sure you install AWS CLI. You can come find an AWS here. It's got different instructions how to do it, one for Linux, macOS, and Windows. Just follow the instructions, make sure it's installed. Essentially what you want to do now is you want to use the command AWS configure SSO session. I use different profiles, so for this one I'm just going to use profile test here, and what this is going to do, it's going to prompt me to make my SSS session ID with the profile test. So essentially you can think of this as like you could have your prod, your dev, and your QA session, and each can have its own SSO login, so you're never deploying to the wrong account. So I'm always going to use this profile to deploy the SST thing. So this example, let's just use test. It's going to set up, what do I want to call the session name? I'm just going to call it test. This SSO start URL, where you can find this is if you go back to AWS, you go to the Identity Center again, you sign in, and you go to the IAM Identity Center, and you go to the dashboard. So the dashboard here, you'll see this AWS Access Portal URL. Just copy that, and then just go back to your thing, paste it. SSO region, you can do whatever. So if I look here, I'm on NVIDIA here, and we can see that's US East 1. So just again, you can just copy and paste that, ES1. This is the scope, the access of the scope of your user. So to find that, you can just go to your users, you can click on them, and then go to your AWS accounts and grab the account that it's for, and then the permissions that you've given it. In this case, I've given it the administration access. Again, a lot of this is blurred out just so nothing really goes long, but hopefully you can at least follow with your own example here. And you just go back to your access and just paste that. So, and then there we go. Cool. Now we can see our AWS CLI is started, but we want to sign in now, so we can actually start deploying